Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll talk about packages in Python programming language. We can organize large number of files in different folders and subfolders based on some criteria, so that we can find and manage them easily and simply without complication. In the same way, a package in Python takes the concept of the modular approach to next logical level. As you know, a module in Python can contain multiple objects such as classes, functions, tuples, lists, and many more. A package can contain one or more relevant modules. Physically, a package is actually a folder containing one or more module files, like this package here called my package. This package has 3 files. Let's talk about this package called my package more closely and the process of creating it. We'll talk about the steps for creating this package simply. First of all, try to create a new folder and call it my app. This is the container of our package. And once you create this folder, try to create a subfolder with the name my package, like this here inside the file explorer of the Visual Studio Code editor. After that, try to create an empty init.py file in the my package folder. And also try to create 2 modules. The first one is called greeting, and we inserted a function called greeting inside it. And the second file or the second module put 3 functions inside it, all of which is to do a mathematical operation. The first one or the first function is to add 2 numbers together and return the sum. And the second function is to get the average between 2 numbers. And the third function is the power function, is the exponentiation function to return x to the power y. That's it. We have created our package called my package, and we created 3 modules inside our package called my package.